Motorola Solutions ringing the opening bell right here at the New York Stock Exchange. The security-focused company highlighting its mission of providing safety across communities and businesses. Joining us now is Greg Brown, Motorola Solutions Chairman and CEO. Second time we've had you in not that long. It's good to have you back.
Thanks, David. Thanks for having me.
All right, what is the point of this rebranding? I mean, frankly, I know what your company does at this point, having focused on it a bit recently. Is there a sense that perhaps a lot of investors don't?
Yeah, so I think that, look, we split Motorola years ago, as you know. We divested non-strategic businesses, exited the cell phone business, and what we did is said we're doubling down on all things public safety. The announcement this morning is the culmination of a multi-year journey where, David, we have built a public safety and security ecosystem that takes public safety and connects it to enterprises and businesses. So basically it connects people in need with those who can help. And so we thought it was appropriate to launch the new narrative. Our customers sure as heck know who we are, and a lot of other people, but it was an opportune time to say, what is the new narrative of the company and what do we stand for? And today we announced solving for safer, because it's not static, it's fluid. Solving because we're always innovating, and safer because threats are always evolving, and so are we. Yeah. So it's exciting to be here.
Sadly, those threats are always evolving. In fact, it's frankly made you a growth company. I think you put up an 8% number last quarter. The expectations, even though you're not sharing guidance yet, are for more of the same. Why is this such a growth area, Greg?
So I think to what you said, and I've said this to Jim before too, a lot of what we do is need to have, not nice to have. Who doesn't need safer communities, safer schools, safer businesses, safer critical infrastructure, safer hospitals or stadium, taking video security and automatically with artificial intelligence communicating through AI, access control, facility lockdown, immediately notifying people in a 911 command center. So we've built this ecosystem, and it's in demand higher now than ever before. We've had great growth, but we also exited the quarter with record backlog, record orders, and David, the addressable market, even though we'll be in the zip code of 10 billion this year, the addressable market is 66 billion. So there's a lot of room to run, and what we do is highly in need.
I think that's low. I'll tell you what, Greg. I don't know if you studied the terrible Maine shooter.
I did, yeah.
But once again, we have people, you can't arrest them, you can't stop them. There's nothing, if you have schizophrenic, you can't just jail people, you can't detain them.
Right.
So we have to have some line of defense, particularly because you can get guns in this country. The line of defense in various ways might be the panic button.
Absolutely. And to that point, that was a very important acquisition we made of Rave. Rave is a Framingham, Massachusetts company. Todd Pyatt, the former CEO, is in the audience today. But Rave is the internal nerve center that takes a lot of the incidents and feeds, and you can do an immediate panic button and distribute notification to law enforcement or security operations personnel. That was a missing ingredient, and for us, it's key that we now have it.
Last time you were on, we had a conversation about AI, and you delivered this statistic, which I still remember, about the number of seconds you can shave off a 911 call, and the thousands of lives you can save per year. Has that evolved since we last talked?
No, if you reduce the 911 response by 1 minute, it saves 10,000 lives. That's an FCC reported number. So, Jim, that's why we do public safety communications. We do video security and access control and surveillance. And we do it through all of the nerve center and security workflow through 911. So if a dispatcher can respond faster, if he or she can answer a call faster, if David Faber calls with an emergency speaking Spanish, and you're the dispatcher and you don't know it, we're doing AI real transcription and translation, so the dispatcher hears the concern and the crisis in English.
This is what Jensen Huang first felt would be the biggest use for artificial intelligence, would be that there are 27 languages spoken perfectly. And that's exactly what you need on that 911 line. I remember my daughter was on one of these lines, and it's like, people, they're desperate, and they don't know how to say it. They can't articulate it. You will probably be able to articulate it for them to the people who need it.
So we're doing smart transcription in 911. Right. Over 90% of our video security cameras are AI-enabled. And now we're deploying AI in the emergency communications, Apex Next, NYPD, where if someone's calling in, a first responder or a law enforcement officer, to a dispatcher, we have we will have an AI voice assistant. So instead of the dispatcher trying to pull up everything they're hearing, it's hearing the voice, translating it, and populating the information quicker. If you get the information quicker, you can respond faster. If you can respond faster, you can save lives.
Oh, that's so
Powerful.
great.
Yeah. Greg, in the brief time we have left, I mean, you've been at the helm of this company 16 years. You've transformed it. You've created an enormous amount of value along the way. You've fought with and been friends with activists. We talked a bit about that in your last appearance.
Someone's fought with this guy? This guy's like the greatest guy.
I'm just curious. Given that experience and the long experience, by the way, I mean, it's not many CEOs who are around for 16 years. Any broad advice you give to those who are in a leadership position at this point?
So, and you know this, right? Carl Icahn, multiple years in the firm, representation in the boardroom, Jeff Ubben and Value Act. Did I think it was easy? Hell no. Did it make me a better CEO? Yeah. Did it make management better? Yes. Did it make board governance better? Yes, it did. So the advice I'd give is don't wait until somebody comes into your company. Where's the underbelly of your weakness? Is it products? Is it cost structure? Is it management? Is it board governance? Is it capital allocation? Management knows what you're doing well and what you're not doing well. The advice is be candid for what you're not doing well and act now, because if you don't, someone else will come in and will help you.